So in this problem, it's the quadratic problem. We're going to solve the following equation using the quadratic formula. So the equation that we're interested in is 2x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. The quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this case, b is 3, a is 2, and c is minus 10. When we plug that into the quadratic formula, we get a minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times 2 times minus 10, all over 4. And we combine terms. We get a minus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 80, which is then 89. So now we get x is equal to a minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 89 over 4. And we notice that the square root of 89 has no factors other than 89 and 1. And so we cannot reduce that square root. And so now we're left with the two solutions right here. X equals a minus 3 minus square root of 89 over 4, and negative 3 plus the square root of 89 over 4.